Insecurity breaches game files. There are many unused animations, songs, features, and audio, such as Burn Trap's death animation and a remixed version of Sleep No More. However, for this video, we take a look at audio that was supposed to play during Burn Trap's level, sounding like the following. The sound in particular sounds like the whispering of a chorus of children, with this presumably playing in the background while Burn Trap is hunting you. This could imply that the spirits of the children still lurk within the ruined hallways of Henry's restaurant, still waiting for Athen to truly die, staying around for as long as he lives and breathes. It can also explain the blob, that this could be where the children's souls now reside while within the ruins, all crammed into one singular body, just like Candy Cadet's story said they would.